How to use this community. First, I want to welcome you back. You're probably asking, who is this guy that claimed that he can heal back pain? I was asking exactly the same questions as an osteopath. Who is Dr. Sano who claimed that he can heal back pain without surgery, without medications, or without exercises? When it comes to your health and your body, you must investigate. Other therapists claiming their treatments are the best and asking for your money with empty promises. The difference between me and the medical profession is that the medical profession is claiming that their treatments with medications, surgery, injections, and even exercises will help you to reduce your pain. But it clearly doesn't work because why are you still in pain? Or why does the pain keeps on coming back? Where I say, don't do any exercises for your pain. Don't do medication for your pain. Don't do surgery for your pain because that cannot fix you. I say, like Dr. Sano 50 years ago, I can heal your back pain without medications, without exercises, or even surgery. Where do you go from here? I will suggest that you carry out my self-assessment form to find out if your symptoms are neuroplastic. To heal ourselves, we must actively do something, and that is not exercises. We must calm our nervous system, and we must work on our mindset and our beliefs. This is what my No More Pain program is all about, but I will explain the No More Pain program in my next video. But if you want to have a taster of the No More Pain program, for a small fee, you can do the 5-step challenge. This is a somatic tracking exercise that is designed to calm your nervous system and to create safety inside your mind and your body, and see how you feel after a week. Alternatively, you can join my Premier community where you will receive the 5-step plan as part of the membership. Another option is to book a free discovery call with me where I will guide you on your next steps or your path that you should take. In my next video, I will explain how the full program works and how this is the ultimate program to create long-term pain relief. I am still excited to have you here, and I look forward to supporting you on your healing journey, because by the end of the day, healing isn't just about getting you out of pain, it's about getting your life back. So again, welcome to Healing Back Pain by Kuni, and I will see you in the next video.